Dana 30 is the same as CJ as it would be in like a TJ?
Yep. Ready?
Ready. You mean the gear?
Punch it!
I'm saying the actual axle as far as...
No, because the pumpkin's on the other side.
Well, I mean, as far as... Somebody gave me a lock right for a Dana 30.
Oh yeah, the lock right out of it.
You're going to hit a big rock.
Come on, look where you're at.
He's going to play hell if he has to back up.
Nice. That's a little steep. Right? That's gonna.
You want to back up and get straighter or what?
Yeah.
Back it up and bring your ass in.
Bring it over just a little bit, so you don't have to. That's quite a lift right there for that narrow of a track. Okay.
It's too far over this way.
Okay.
Does he have back? Are you locked in the back? Are you locked in the back? This fire didn't spin.
Well, it's got a limited.
Oh, okay. He needs to go that way. He needs to get the lift. We need to put him up on that little piece right over there. That's enough.
And he was going to throw that side down.
Now ride him this way.
Bumper, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you need to get up on top.
Is the bumper hitting on that side?
Yeah. But see, he fell back down this way. You need to get him back over that way, and then once he gets up over there, then bring him back.
Back up and move over. Yeah, back up and we'll move it over to your right. So we got your back end over where it should be. Okay, Johnny.
I don't have any brakes.
No brakes.
I got it now.
Well, at least you're going up. So there's.
You gotta stay to the right, no? Oh, you started there?
Well, that hole, his whole front end is going to slide over there.
Can you climb right along that edge?
Right here? Yeah, but his front end, as soon as it falls in that hole, it'll slide.
Roll him over?
Yeah.
Here, come along.
Okay, who's got the shovel? That damn snowbird bumper. If you didn't have that snowbird bumper on there, you know,
Yeah, your approach
Canadian bumper.
Your approach on there is perfect, but your front bumpers are hitting on it on both sides.
Yeah.
On both sides. Hey, hacksaw.
Hey, Coach.
Hey, I forgot my song though.
Okay. If my bumper was any shorter,
You'd have made it up to that
then
second
you
round.
clear and your tires come and cut for flying. Yeah.
But I mean, that wouldn't create problems elsewhere. I mean, other shows are not basically that one. But I see a lot of
You
people.
see by him doing this right here, this might take care of your problem right here.
Yeah, because what you're doing up here is it's sliding over in the hole.
Into the hole.
Rock stacker.
Well, you needed that rock right there. That was going to hold you up there.
Rock stacker.
Isn't that cheating?
Hey, you sure, you
One rock, down me.
you sure you don't want to go down to 1 pound?
You might have to put some vacuum.
Yeah, it's funny that tire didn't even
What? I'm going to come back this
Yeah,
way.
we went over that rock.
Yeah, you're going to stay close.
I can see it pretty close when he went over that rock right there.
And then hang your front. We want to see where the burrow skin is right there?
Yeah.
Over here on the rock up there?
towards your left one.
No, right there.
That's where you want.
Okay.
You point me and I'll try to get up there. Put that thing right in the shit.
If you run over the burrow straight, you'll be okay.
You don't need a seatbelt, you got doors.
Yes.
Should be able to come forward. Yes, one or the other. Those are your choices.
Should be right there. Can you out that?
You almost had it. You almost had it.
Turn left. Yeah, I was gonna say I think he needs to cut it harder to the left.
That was good. That was you almost had it all the way there. Yeah.
Not running the bumper on this side. You okay with that?
Yeah, he was okay.
He's fine for a slide. Yeah, he'd have made it. If he didn't slide, he'd have made it.
Right.
If
My hand had, you know what? You see my uncle. That's right.
Keep it hard left.
Stay well, man.
You know something? You know if it comes into it, comes farther from this way, and back foot more that way, it has his ass end approach where it goes up towards Sam that way. Well,
Yeah,
Straighter
but
line.
he's longer than Sam was. Remember the problem Sam had back then? Was that
Yeah.
when he was around?
but he'd have to wiggle himself back out if he can't make it. Either that or we
We
have to
got
pull
those around. Straighten them out.
Yeah.
We just leave it here.
Tony,
Come here, Tony. Straight ahead. Straight ahead, man.
Want me to push that dirt back in there? Oh! Your rubber works! That's far enough. Alright. He's not going to be able to straighten angle that either.
well, getting him in here, put his back in.
When he was coming up on this edge here, as he started turning fast, he kept bouncing off. If he went slower and side-bited
I
that,
think that if we get his back end more this way and give him the approach this way, that way he doesn't have, he's doing this right here. So instead of doing that, we bring him this way so he doesn't slide over. Tony, you're going to want to go like this. You're going to want to come in and shoot towards Sam up there.
he's like, I'm moving. Your winch on? Get him up over that lip. I know that.
You might need to put him up there a little bit and then take him backwards.
Okay? Go ahead and back it up. Turn all the way to the right, put it up into the back. Then, okay? Good, it's right off. You got that tire there about 2 pounds.
You're just going to be climbing just a little bit right now.
Really?
Yeah. Lift your clutch so it's not going
You're not
fast.
going to want to go all the way up.
You want to go slow.
Right there? Oh, perfect! Perfect! Let me get out of the way.
Did it?
Tony, turn your tires the other way. Okay, back up just a little. Keep turning them. Okay, hold it. Stop right there. Come back this way now. You got to adjust the start?
You have to set up the idle. I don't have to work like that. Remember when Elvis got you over there?
Good.
Those tires went down to about 4 or 5 pounds. They're full. It wasn't letting us fly.